In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Gamma IPPT. If you've built a presentation in Gamma and you're ready to get a clean PowerPoint file you can use offline or share with clients, I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. Begin by going to gamma.app in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, open your profile menu and choose Upgrade. This step matters because exports from the free tier include a watermark, and paid plans remove that watermark automatically when you export. On the upgrade screen, review the options and pick the paid plan that fits your needs. You'll see what's included, along with monthly or annual billing. Complete the checkout so your plan is active before you download. After your upgrade is confirmed, return to the presentation you want to download. Make any final edits you need, then look for the export option in the interface, typically near the top right or within the share or menu controls. Choose the PowerPoint format so you receive a .pptx file. Gamma will process your slides and prepare the download. This can take a moment, especially if your deck is image heavy or includes embedded media. When processing finishes, your browser should start the download automatically. If nothing appears, quickly check your browser settings for blocked pop-ups or downloads and allow gamma.app. Save the file somewhere easy to find and give it a clear version name so you don't confuse it with older drafts. Open the .pptx in PowerPoint to verify the layout, fonts, spacing, and images generally carry over well. If you used uncommon fonts in Gamma, install those fonts on your computer for the closest match. Minor shifts can happen when moving between tools, so use PowerPoint's alignment and layout guides to tighten anything that looks off. If your computer prompts you to update PowerPoint before opening, go ahead. Newer versions handle modern files more reliably. A quick note on watermarks. If you previously exported before upgrading, that older file will still show a watermark. After your plan is active, simply export again and the new download will be clean. For very large presentations, give the export a little extra time to finish processing before you navigate away, and keep a stable internet